y'all, this is a 50-pack of microfiber cleaning cloths that I received from the brand, and they look like this. They are edgeless, so it's got this jagged edge, and it's super soft. This would be perfect for car washes because you don't want to damage your finish with something that is abrasive or anything like that. So it's super soft. It's also great for maybe like hardwood, a quality finish hardwood floors, or your table, perhaps the dining table, anything that is delicate and you don't want any type of scratches from potential sponges or anything else. This would be a good option and a good choice for you. Now the good thing about these is that it is also machine washable. Now they are about a square foot in length and width, which is pretty nice. So pretty good size and quality. Loving it so far. I don't see any like loose threads or anything like that. I'm gonna put them through the wash just to see how it looks, and then I'll probably make a follow-up video on that. But hope you found this helpful. Thanks for the brand for sending out the sample. Hope you have a great day. Okay, quick edit. You can actually pop off the top of this and then pull the microfiber cloth like a tissue box right out of here. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.